kids! Are you ready to dance, laugh, and learn? Get ready to clap, sing, and shout! Here comes the ABC fun!
A is for apple, bouncing to the beat, and an awesome aeroplane flying on repeat. B is for banana, breakdancing bright, with a bouncy ball hopping left and right. C is for cat with a jazzy flair, dancing with a car zooming everywhere. D is for dog, moonwalking so cool, with a dazzling doll spinning like a jewel. E is for elephant, dancing with cheer, and earth spins along, bringing fun near. F is for fish, grooving in style, and frog breakdances with a big wide smile. G is for goat, who loves to groove, with giraffe dancing in a wobbly move. H is for hippo, dancing with glee, and a happy house shaking like a tree. I is for ice cream, jiggly and fun, while igloo spins under the snowy sun. J is for jelly, jiggling with flair, with jellyfish twirling through ocean air. K is for kangaroo, dancing with flair, while kittens pop out with paws in the air. L is for lion, dancing so sweet, with lollipop twirling to the beat. M is for monkey, dancing with flair, and mouse spins around, tossing confetti in air. N is for nest, full of giggling cheer, while noodles dance with noodles in the air. O is for orange, rolling with glee, and owl flaps along by the big old tree. P is for penguin, dancing on ice, with panda twirling once, then twice. Q is for quack, in a cozy scene, with a dancing quilt that's soft and clean. R is for rabbit, bouncing with flair, while rocket loops through the starry air. S is for star that twinkles and spins, with sheep dancing soft on fluffy wings. T is for tiger, wild on his feet, while turtle twirls slow to a mellow beat. U is for unicorn, full of delight, with umbrella spinning in raindrops bright. V is for vampire, smooth and cool, dancing with Van like it's monster school. W is for whale with a watery spin, and watermelon grooves with a juicy grin. X is for Xmas tree, dancing with glee, spinning around the Christmas tree. Y is for yak, dancing with style, while yacht sails circles with a splashy smile. Z is for zebra, cool and spry, breakdancing wild under disco sky.
If you like our video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel and show your support and love for us.